Hello people, today I'm reacting to an American reacting to Australian road trains. Now we will see some road trains go through deep, exciting floodwaters. So, without further ado, my dog is staring at me through the window, and let's get into it.
Happy Arvo. Hello. Thank you very much for joining.
It's been 3 seconds, I already have a problem with him. Happy Arvo. Australians don't say Arvo, we say afternoon. And start off a video with that, you autistic pigeon! I digress.
Today. How you doing? Today
Great
this video
until
popped
you.
up for me, and I cannot wait to watch it and react to it.
Wow, a truck going through water! No way! It's like ankle deep! Oh my god! In America, I meant how I properly pronounced it. That would be impossible! This is going to be a long day.
But it's only 2 minutes long. Okay?
Wow!
Also on the YouTube homepage for me. Road Train Fam.
Then how the hell did you make it 9 minutes and 6 seconds? Look at that!
I don't know what's about to happen. It looks insane. But so I got a couple other clips that also look insane. Over a river crossing. This just looks like a river. Apparently a road train.
Excuse me? If you look in between 2 trees, you will see the, guards that's on the side of the road. Wow, there's a road there. You little chickle rat.
It's gonna pop out of nowhere. So these videos sound insane. They're all really short, so I'm gonna react to them all. And I really just want to because it sounds really interesting. What?
What? No way! There's a truck traveling through water. Get over it, you little freaking hairy chicken rat. Willy Woom, his brain just went kaboom. Willy Wuck, you're a dumb fuck.
Dude, it's insane. I never would have thought I'd seen a road train off-roading. An off-road train.
That has to be the dumbest thing I've ever heard. An off-roading road train? Where do you think road trains go? Yeah, so everywhere in Australia, the hundreds of thousands of kilometres, maybe not that far, but do you think someone's going to go out in the middle of nowhere, middle of Timbuktu, and put in road? No. And do you think there's wet season and dry season for a reason? You Reese's Pieces.
An off-road train.
Yeah! Sorry about that stupid ad. No, he just said, how much? And that's where we go.
How much horsepower is required to do this?
How much do you think? If you didn't know, a normal train meant road train has, no. You know what? If you're that interested, search it up. I'm not using that brain power. My brain is dead from this guy.
Imagine getting stuck. Who's going to tow you out?
No one.
You're going to have to get another road train to tow you out.
No, you're not. You get another semi-truck.
I guess you would tow each train out, or each
Trailer.
car out one by one.
Stupid! They're not cars, they're trailers. Have you ever heard that?
It's even flooded.
It's flooded? That's why there's wet season.
Coolest thing ever, dude. Off-road train. In Canada, I sure haven't seen anything quite like that. Freaking love these road train vids. Hearing how hard the truckers are laboring and thinking of
Freaking love the road train, bitch.
about all especially when blasting through rivers.
Excuse me, what the actual frickle frackle? He was going 10 to 15k an hour, I bet. He was not going that fast, you chickle rat.
Awesome, gotta love these Aussies and their road trains. We need more people like this guy who's willing to give
Road train!
a try. 2 thumbs up. I got distracted by my own face over here. So funny. Good job, mate. Wow. What the heck?
Smooth brain, no wrinkles or lumps, or caverns or bumps. All ideas slide right off. Smooth brain. Man, that forehead's big.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's a water crossing.
Not even a road, it looks like a dam. Are you sure? Dude.
I hate being diseased. Now that guy put some swaz in it. As I say, give it swaz, Janet. You!
It didn't even slow down. It just went balls to the wall.
That's what I call momentum.
The water. Are there animals in this road train?
Yes. Stupid.
They're having a
At least I got my milk.
This is the coolest thing.
I've ever
From a
seen.
distance, it actually looks like a real railroad train that's coming toward you. This was actually pretty cool.
It looks like a real train. A not road train. A real train is coming towards you, even though they're practically the same size. I know that's not what he said, but mate, the carriages can be the same size. Norton, stop staring at me through my window. And, would you believe it? Trains can have hundreds of carriages. I mean, that's the longest. But you'll find trains like that. 3 carriages? No, go back to like when the first train was built in Britain. That's when you'll see
Does that mean I'm
3.
dyslexic if I randomly switch words around?
You are dyslexic!
Cool, actually. Probably routine forever. But for me, that's amazing footage. If that's routine, then we're gonna need more videos. I mean, there are a shocking amount of these videos. I found 3. Okay, here's the.
Oh my god, 3 is so much. Oh my god, he looks like a retarded pigeon.
Honestly, I've been waiting for road train fail. Uh-oh.
Simply doesn't have enough momentum to get through the creek. I meant out of the creek. I hate being diseased. Come on.
That's impressive. That is some bumpy.
Australian power. See, that's a really bloody steep exit.
4-wheeler going through that. This guy's got an 1800-wheeler.
What do you do? The untouched trailers.
How are you gonna try it again? How did you get it out?
So, would you believe this? There's something called mirrors, and there's another thing called the steering wheel. So, if you turn it, one trailer will go the other way. But if you are on the road for 30 plus years with these trains and can reverse it easy, no shit! Stupid!
You can't just cut. How? Time to repaint the truck. How did you get this truck out?
You're not funny. Floor it. Freaking send it! Come on. Come on.
Fail again. What was that? Thanks.
Don't you dare make fun of Australian
What does that
people.
mean in American? Can someone translate?
It said, basically just said, bugger. But just said, You are stupid.
Oh, they're actually towing it out. Let's go.
You couldn't have just detached two of the trailers, pulled off to the side, came back, picked up the other two, and then... Willy Wigger, you're stupid. You can finish that.